Hello friends, nice to see you back. It is our second video. In this video, we are going to see how we install MySQL and how we can run SQL command key on it. Let's see how we can install MySQL. So your first step is, you need to download one of these three servers on your computer. Xamp, Wamp or MAMP. In this video, we are working with Xamp application. Let's see how we can download or install in our machine. Just search download Xamp in your browser. Then click on the official link. This link will redirect you to download page. And here you can see the download options for three type of OS. I am Windows user, so I am going to download Windows version. So I am going to click this link and you can see our download has started. If we install Xamp application, then MySQL will be automatically installed with it. And it is also installed another web application named phpMyAdmin. Not only that, we are going to use third-party application. Just click on next. First of all, check if MySQL and Apache are selected or not. If selected, then click on next. Then you need to choose a folder where you want to install Xamp, and I want to go with default path. Then click next, select your language and next. Now your installation process will start. Your setup is ready for install. Just click on next and wait for some time. Don't worry, it's take little time. After complete the installation process, you can see an alert on your screen. You need to allow your Apache server communicate with private or public network. So just click on allow access and then just click on finish. And also I am going to run the Xamp server. You can see the Xamp control panel on your screen. First you need to start Apache and MySQL. So I am going to click on start button. You have to wait a little until its color is green. And once again it asks for network permission. Just click on allow access. Now your MySQL is ready. And just type localhost on your URL bar. And it's redirect to a dashboard. As we say, we will use another application to run MySQL. Just open a new tab and type mysql.com. We are going to work with a third-party application, which is MySQL Workbench. So let me show you how we can install it. But you need to remember one thing. Then scroll your page little bit. Then you can see a link MySQL Community Downloads. Then a page will open in front of you. But here we need to install MySQL Workbench only. So if I click on this link, this software works just like phpMyAdmin. But its user interface is very easy to operate. Then just click on the drop down link and select your operating system. I am Windows user, so I select Windows. And then just click the download button. Then it asks for login or sign up. But you don't need to sign up for download this application. Just click on no thanks, just start my download. And it will start your download. Then just open the download folder and just double click on the application. Then you can see a setup wizard.
So guys, herein you can see the installation started. You need to choose a setup type. The first one is developer default. It will install the server, shell, router, workbench connectors. The server will install only server. Client only will install shell, router, workbench and others. Full will be complete installation, but I want selective, so I'll go for custom. Click on next. Herein you can see you need to select the products. So I'll just click on drop down and I wanted MySQL server. Here it is, 8.0.27 for 64-bit OS. You can see you can just click on here to drag. Next, go to applications. We wanted workbench also. Click here and drag it. Now go to shell. Drag it. Here and you can see we wanted all three, server, workbench and shell, and the same is visible. Click on next. So herein you can see it checks the requirements and you can see the prerequisite to install MySQL is Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 redistributable package. So it will get automatically installed for all three, server, workbench and shell. If you're already having this on your system, this step won't come. So I'm not having it, so the same is visible. I'll just click on execute. Now you can see it is installing all three. Here you can see it is asking to agree for the term license for redistributable. Click on install. So guys, the setup is successful. Click on close. Installation done. Now click on next. Now the actual server, workbench and shell will get installed. Ready to install. Click on execute. Now it will get installed one by one. You can see here. Let's wait for a few seconds. The installation progress started. Let's wait. So guys, here you can see we successfully installed all three. Click on next. Now you can see product configuration. Click on next. Here is the type and networking section. The port number is 3306. You need to keep all these same and click on next. Here in authentication method, keep the default, use strong password and click on next. So here in add the root password. You can add any password. Let's say I'm adding the following password. So I added a password. Here in user accounts, it by default created root. You can see if you want to create a new user, click on add user. Here in add the name of the user. Let's say I'm adding Amit. Host. Here in add localhost. Role, you can assign any role, DB admin or any other role. Herein you can see you can add any role. I'll keep the default authentication MySQL fine. You can add a new password for the new user. So you just need to click on OK. I'll click on cancel. I don't need it. I'll go for the root one only. Keep the default. Click on next. Herein you can see Windows service. It's MySQL 80. I'll show you later. Start the MySQL server at startup. It's fine. Keep the default and click on next. Herein now you can see apply configuration. Click on execute. It will write configuration files, update the firewalls, start the server, initialize the database and do all the things which are required. This is the final step. Wait for a few seconds. MySQL 8.0.27 installed successfully. Click on finish. Configuration complete. Click on next. Now you can see installation complete. It will start the MySQL workbench as well as shell after setup. It's fine. Click on finish. So the workbench is starting. Okay. Now you can see this was the port number and the service was MySQL 80. Now I'll click on it to open. Enter the same password we entered before. Click on OK. Click on save password. Click on OK. Here you can see MySQL workbench started 8.0.27. If you want to learn how to create a new database and table in MySQL workbench, refer the link in the description of this video. So guys, go to start. Type cmd. Click on open. Herein you can see type MySQL -- version and press enter. You can see we installed 8.0.27 successfully. Now guys, let us see the path we installed in C drive, program files. Here it is. Click on it. Click on the server and here is the bin path. Just copy this path to avoid any future errors. Go to start. Type environment variables. On typing, click on edit the system environment variables. Click on open. Now click on advanced under system properties. Environment variables. Click on it. Herein you can see path is visible. Go to system variables. Path. Double click on it. Herein all the paths are visible. Go to new and just paste the path we copied before. That is the bin path. The following path. Okay. Now click on OK here. Click on OK and the last OK. Now let us go to the command prompt again and type MySQL -u. U is for user, root -p. P is for password. Press enter. Enter the password. The same password we entered before and press enter. And you can see MySQL started successfully. Now let us show all the databases. Using show databases command, semicolon, press enter. You can see the default databases are visible. Now let us create a database quickly. Create database AmitDB, semicolon, press enter. One row affected, that means we successfully created it. Now use the show databases command again and press enter.
Please press the bell icon and subscribe the YouTube channel Get Siteman. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friend. I will see you guys in my next video.